Hello friends, welcome back. So as we have seen how we can create different sheets, it's also called as tabs now. So here we have raw, which is in blue color, then we have dashboard and then reports. So just I will do one thing, I'll delete them so that I will again create it one by one. So first we have the raw data here, that is we have the day, then the date and the amount. Okay, but there is one more thing we can do is whenever you select the date, the day should automatically calculate. Okay, means like for example 29th of May 2025 is basically a Thursday, not a Monday. So first you will have to write is equal to, then you have to write text and then select this particular data, which is your date actually, and then you can just say write DDD and let's try this and you will get Thursday. Okay, so if there are other dates, like let's say we'll copy this date down, so it's 30th of May, and if you copy this down you will automatically get Friday, correct? So this is another important thing you should know, otherwise we may just get missed on wrong day for a wrong date. Okay, so as I was saying, you have a day here, then we have date, then amount and due, paid or not. Now let us assume that suppose if the amount is paid, meaning you have received the amount, then let us call it as 1. And if there is an amount of, let's say 5,000, which you have not yet received, then we'll call it as 0. Like that. Just we will keep that as an assumption, right? Okay. So here we have day, then date, then amount, and then due. Let me also tell you once again how we have created the date or entered the date. If you remember, we have entered the date by using shortcut on your keyboard, which is Control semicolon. Let me repeat that. If you put a Control and semicolon, you will get today's date. And if you want to change the date, just double click on this like this. You should get the calendar. Okay, let's try that. But here for some reason I'm not getting the calendar. Let me try again. No, in this particular version I'm not getting a calendar. So you will have to change the date accordingly if you want a different date. Okay. So let us say, suppose I insert one row here and I wanted to give a date in the past. So if I do here like this, we get today's date, but you can change it manually to 20th of May. So this is 20th of May, and this particular formula you can just copy and paste it here. So automatically you will get Tuesday, because 20th was a Tuesday of May 2025. Okay. All right, so here let's say amount we wanted to receive was 4,000 and we have not yet received it, so we will call it as 1. Okay. Okay, so just to revise, all the amount which we are received will be 1. The amount which we have not received will be 0. Okay. So this is how we are building our raw data, which is in the raw tab. Okay, so please do this much, get ready, and all the next steps we'll do it in the next video. Thank you.